Hi there, it's Professor Monty, and let me show you how to use the intercepts to graph a line. All right, to find the x-intercept, remember we set y equal to 0, because if the line's crossing or the graph is crossing the x-intercept, the y value, we couldn't have gone up or down at all, the y value is 0. Then we just solve for x. Similarly, to find the y-intercept, we set x equal to 0, and then solve for y. We just graph the line through those two intercepts that we found. Now, not all lines have both an x and the y-intercept, but we'll deal with that in another video. This video is lines that do. Okay, so graph 2x, 3x plus 2y equals 12. Now, remember, to find the x-intercept, we're just going to set y equal to 0. So we do that, we get 3x plus 2 times 0 equals 12, and we're just going to solve that. That's a 0, so I just get 3x equals 12 divided by 3. X equals 4. So what I've gotten is, when x is 4, y is 0. So I have the point 4, 0 as my x-intercept. And then find y-intercept, similarly, we're going to set x equals 0. So I get 3 times 0 plus 2y equals 12, or just 2y equals 12, or just y equals 6. And so now I have the point 0, 6. Now, some people actually do this just by not working all that out. Some of you can do it in your head and just say, okay, if y is 0, that's gone. I just have 3x equals 12. Divided by 3, I get x equals 4. Boom, there's my point. Similarly, if x equals 0, that's gone. I get 2y is 12, so y has to be 6. Boom, that's my other point. And then I don't have to write out all these steps. But regardless, let's graph these. So I have 4, 0. At 0, 6. And then there's my line. And easy as that, I get the graph. Let's try this one over here. We're going to do it similarly. So for my x-intercept, again, y equals 0. So I get 2x minus 0 equals 1, or just 2x equals 1. This time I've got a fraction. That's okay. So I've got the point 1/2 comma 0. And then right next to it, I'll do the other one. So my y-intercept, remember that's always x equals 0. So I get 2 times 0 minus y equals 1. That's just negative y equals 1. Divided by negative 1, I get y equals negative 1. So now I got 0, negative 1. Again, you could have probably done that in your head to make it a little bit quicker. But now to graph this, I have 1/2 comma 0. Well, if that's 1, half is halfway there. And I have 0, negative 1. And again, I will label these 1/2 comma 0 and 0 comma negative 1. And there's my graph. So remember, for the x-intercept, we set y equal to 0. That gives us an x value. And to get the y-intercept, I just set x equals 0, and then I'll get a y value. All right, hope that helps. Try these out. It's pretty quick. Some of you can do it in your head. And if you can, I would suggest you do it that way. It makes it a lot quicker.